Number 24. Now we do have some objects inside the other objects. Like here we have cylinder. He said show that the maximum volume of the cylinder which is inscribed in a sphere. So cylinder is inscribed in a sphere of radius 5 root 3. Sphere's dimension is constant, radius 5 root 3. So 5 root 3 is constant given. He said cylinder dimensions are varying, so the maximum volume of the cylinder you need to find will be 500 pi centimeter square. So volume maximum, that means we need to differentiate volume here. And suppose your cylinder is like this, then obviously dimensions are changing, R and H. So what else is varying is your theta. So what we'll do, we will convert this R and H in terms of theta and this radius. See, its volume is pi r square h, volume of cylinder. Now volume depends on two variables, and as we need to differentiate volume, we have to convert it into single variable. That is, by using this triangle you can say if this is r, this base will be 2r. So base upon hypotenuse will be equal to cos theta. So we got r is equal to 5 root 3 cos theta. One thing. Second, perpendicular upon hypotenuse is equal to sin theta. So we got h is equal to 10 root 3 sin theta. So r and h both converted in single variable, that is theta here. Put it here. From equation 1 we got r is equal to 5 root 3 cos theta. 5 root 3 cos theta. And h is equal to 10 root 3 sin theta. Now see, v, volume, depends on single variable theta, differentiated with respect to theta. This is from equation 1. We put it the value, just simplified. This is 25 into 3, 75, 10 root 3 pi into cos square theta into sin theta. Differentiated with respect to theta, 750 root 3 pi cos square theta into sin theta, u into v. Cos square theta as it is, derivative of sin theta is cos theta, and sin theta as it is for cos square theta 2 cos theta into minus sin theta. And for maximum or minimum, put it equal to 0. For maximum or minimum, put it equal to 0. So we got here cos square theta, cos and cos will be cancelled out, is equal to 2 sin square theta. Sin into sin, sin square theta. So we got here tan theta is equal to 1 by root 2. Cos will be in denominator, sin square upon cos square will be 1 by 2. So tan theta is equal to 1 by root 2. Now double differentiate it to prove it maximum. Double differentiate. Cos cube theta, derivative is 3 cos square theta into minus sin theta, and 2 cos theta. This is 2 cos theta. Cos theta into sin square theta. Cos theta as it is for sin square theta, 2 sin theta cos theta, plus u into v you have to apply. Then sin square theta as it is for cos theta minus sin theta. Here you have to apply 2 cos theta into sin square theta. This is the thing. So we need to apply u into v2 as it is. Then for cos theta as it is, cos theta as it is, cos theta as it is, 2 sin theta, for sin theta 1 more cos theta, plus sin square theta as it is for cos theta minus sin theta. Now you can see at theta, tan theta will be 1 by root 2, tan theta will be 1 by root 2, then this hypotenuse will be root 3, root 2 square plus 1 and its under root. Then we got here that sin theta is at this particular point, sin theta will be 1 by root 3 and cos theta will be root 2 by root 3, and put the values here. Minus 3 cos theta is, sin theta is, cos theta is root 2 by root 3, that is 2 by 3 into 2, sin theta is 1 by root 2, minus sin square theta is 1 by 2 and sin theta is 1 by root 2. And as this quantities you can take minus common, and this will be greater than this, so the whole thing you got will be negative. If this is negative, your volume is maximum when tan theta is equal to 1 by root 2. So volume is maximum at this particular point. We need to find maximum volume. Put it in the formula of volume. Volume here is 750 root 3 pi from equation 2. 750 root 3 pi cos square theta, and cos theta is into sin theta, into sin theta. Sin theta is 1 by root 3, sir. 1 by root 3. So we got it. So according to sin theta is 1 by root 3, sin theta will be 1 by root 3 everywhere. Sin theta will be 1 by root 3. Sin theta will be 1 by root 3. Again we will get it positive, no problem. So this is root 3 cancelled out. 3, 250 into 2, we got maximum volume is 500 pi centimeter cube. Just note it down.